So 2 months later, unexpectedly, I lost another friend. My summer job is going. They look fake. Look at these bills. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me on today's video. It's been a while. I know. Lots of things have been going on. My little piggy is back. And no, I did not break this little piggy. This is a very special piggy. And you're not going to believe it, but my pre-K teacher gave this little piggy to my son. It's so cute. It's just so special. Look at our little piggy. Oh, such a cute piggy. It does have a little bit of coins in there, but it doesn't have bills. I told my son that I would take care of it and leave it here. Plus, he has another one and he's not using it to put money. He has this other little one. He has another piggy bank. Like if he did want to use like a piggy bank to stuff money in there, he has a different one. Piggy, what does he have right there? Oh, something. Okay, there you go, my little piggy. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a cash stuffing. I went to the bank, got some cash. I already spent some of it. I know. Every time that I say I have to film a video like right away after coming home from the bank, if not, the money's gone. Lots of things have been going on lately. I think so after spring break in March, I kind of stopped filming videos. I got really busy when my sister came over hosting, you know how that goes. I just got really busy after that. Work. I told my husband, you know what? I need to make time for my videos. I need to do it because if I don't cash stuff this money, I'm not staying quite as organized. So I leave the money in this envelope and I'm like, okay, we got to go get groceries here. We got to go pay this here. And I'm not keeping track of everything. Whenever I do keep it in the envelopes, I keep track of where every dollar is going. And it's not just because I haven't filmed a video. I just haven't been keeping track of all my just bills. I haven't been organized with anything. I mean, I have been keeping up with my household chores, cooking, cleaning, all that good stuff. I guess, is it good stuff? It is good stuff. It's just a lot sometimes. I have had no time. This summer has already started. I'm on break right now from work and time is just flying. Oh, please, Jesus, allow time to slow down. Oh, this one's so cute. It's from my daddy and his wife. He gave me this envelope and it's got money in here, which I haven't used yet. And then I have my new envelopes that I've made. I will not be using these because some of them need fixing. Let me put this binder away. Look how pretty it is. I got it from, where did I get it from? It wasn't TikTok. Temu. I think it was Temu. Okay, and I also got this one from Temu, but I'm just gonna, again, stay with my bills, our top priority. I know this is an ugly one. I made the stickers with my Cricut, which my Cricut stopped working. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Delia. On this channel, you will see all cash stuffing videos, budget with me, how I keep track of my income, my debt. Oh no, that's horrible. My debt confession videos where I tell you what my debt is. It has been going down, but it goes up a little bit, but then it hasn't grown as much. I hope. I haven't done a debt confession video in a while, which that video is going to be coming soon. That's my reality check whenever I do my debt confession video because I keep track of all my debt and then I put it all together and I'm like, oh wow, this is how much I owe. So that video is going to be coming up soon sometime. Let's go ahead and count how much money we have in here. We have a couple coins in here. Got some coins. Should I put these inside the piggy? No, we need some coins for our water. So I'll just leave these aside over here. Let me organize my bills. I like to put them in facing the same direction. Let me know if you do that as well. So last night, let me tell you what happened last night because I lost a friend, another friend. I know it's so sad and I just don't want to get emotional over it because it is really, really sad. 2 coworkers that I worked with. One I lost from cancer. We would go visit her with some friends her last days and it was just so sad to see someone, what cancer does to a person. It just broke my heart. I don't know how to explain it because there was a beauty in her that I saw. It's just hard to explain, but I think it's because a lot of people were praying for her and she had like a special glow in her. And this glow is something that whenever I told my friends, the ones that I went with to go visit her, I told them there's a beauty in her and they just stayed quiet. Like, I don't even know if this is making any sense. Has anyone ever experienced this before? Almost March, April. So 2 months later, unexpectedly, I lost another friend. This was a very special friend. I'm going to tell you her name. Her name is Lois. And I would like you to say a special prayer for her. Hopefully she has found peace. Last night I had a dream with her. For some reason, the weirdest dream. I dreamed that she was spending the night at my house and that she had like a box, like a shoebox. And she told me that she had left like letters, something that she had written and she would put these letters in this box. And she told me she wanted me to take these letters to the priest. I don't know what that means. I don't even know if it has any meaning. She was such a good friend because, how do I explain this? This was a friend that we would hug every morning. Let me put my money down for a little bit and fast forward through the minute that I'm going to leave it over here if you just want to watch the cash stuffing. But this was a friend that we were like high school girls. She was 26 years older than me, but during our duties at school, she would like do hearts to me like this, right? She would blow kisses at me. And I would blow kisses back at her. And I would be like, I love you too. I love you too. It did make me so sad because those friends are not easy to find. A friend that you are comfortable with, just that kind love. You can't find that with just any friend. Some friends are friends that you talk to or co-workers. I felt a good connection with her and I already miss her so much. Okay, let's get back to the cash stuffing. I don't want to get emotional, as I said. If you could please pray for her, I would really appreciate it. And I know that she would too. Okay, let's get to the cash counting. Now we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. I'll count that again because I've made mistakes before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They look fake. Look at these bills. Now let's count the 20s. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2. 200. So 7 plus 200, that's 900. Oh, look at this bill. I just noticed that it's ripped. It has a tear. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 82. 910. 920, 930. 931, 932. Here comes the fun part, but sometimes it's not all that fun because all this money is going to be gone to where it needs to go. Okay, I kind of wrote down my little code here on my envelope. So credit card is going to get $100. I put CL. I'm like, what is CL? That's car loan. 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 50. 100, 200, 300, 400, 450 as it goes to the car loan. My sister graduated from college. I'm very proud of her. She got her associate's degree and we went to California. We've been invited to a wedding, a quinceañera, and then another wedding. So I told her, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and do my nails. So she got her nails done and then she invited me. So I told her, you know what? I'll just go ahead and do my nails. And this is what my nails look like. And I know they're kind of growing. But you know what? I paid so much money for them that I'm still keeping them on. Even though they're getting kind of long and they're kind of annoying. Can't do much. So I also did my toes. How much do you think these cost? I am not kidding you when she told me the price. And she didn't even give me a receipt. And my jaw dropped. $120 in California to get your nails done and your toes. And I just got like a French tip. And it's not even the gel polish. She kept insisting, do you want gel polish for French tip on your toes? And I said, no gel polish. She's like, it doesn't last long. I'm like, yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Because guess what? To me, my toes do last a long time just with regular nail polish. She kept trying to get me to do gel. I said, no, no, no. And I know it's more expensive to do gel. Sewer is going to get $80. You know what? I took out $50 and I don't know why. We've been low on money and I know I took out $50, but I don't remember for what. Oh, okay. You know what? I think it was for one of the parties. Yes, exactly. We took out 50. So I need to put 50 back and then the 80. We went to another graduation after we got back from my sister's graduation. My husband's friend's son is going to go to a college for football and hopefully he does really well. We're rooting for him and hopefully he does well. So we gave him $50. So that's 20, 40, 50. That's what I'm putting back. And then also I have to include another 50 in here. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and put the $100 bill. I know I'm not going to do 80, but I'll do 50, which is what I've been doing. Then whenever I do get a little extra money, I have to try and account for what I haven't been putting in here. So we are in June. So for June, I'm going to put that I put 50. So we have $100, $200. Sewer or groceries is going to get, I don't have anything, not even $1 for groceries. It's going to be $100 for groceries. I'm going to try and eat whatever we have in our freezer and not spend as much this week. Insurance needs $100, even though I think I took money out of here as well because we went to another birthday party. Well, I know I took out from one of the envelopes. I just don't remember which one. So I should have $390. 100, 200, 300, 50. Yeah, I do have 390. So for car insurance, it's a must. I need to put at least 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. 1, 2, 3, 350, 370. I'm going to go ahead and put $10. That way it's even. So that's 100, 200, 300. For some reason, this is much easier for me to count this way. So that's 1, 2, 300, 400 if I go like this. So you see? 1, 2, 3, and then 400. 400, and then 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 500. My nephew's birthday is also coming up in July. My husband's birthday is coming up in July. We have another quinceañera we got invited to. Well, actually 2 more quinceañeras. Oh, and then my sister-in-law's baby shower, which I'm going to host. And I am a little bit stressed about it because I don't have the income to do it. But I just want to do something small for her. The first year I did something big. But this year I want to keep it small. And just something very, very small. Insurance, gas. I need gas money. Okay, electricity, cell phone, car loan, groceries, mortgage, car insurance, haircuts, Hulu, internet, sewer, gas. Gas, I'm going to put 20, 40, 60, 70, 72. You're kidding me. I need money for haircuts next week. I'm going to have to get $25 out from here. 20, 40, 45, 50, 47. 47 is going to be gas. And I'm hoping it's going to be enough since I'm not going to work right now. So it's not like I need lots of gas. Haircuts right here. $25. And can you believe it? That is all. My money's gone. In the place of no return, because once it's in here, it has to go to that place. Even though, you know, I've been taking some money out for birthday parties and all that, I'm putting it back in right now. And I think that's it, friends. I'm so glad that I was able to get this cash stuffing video out there to you all. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to tell you all about how my summer job is going. What do you think I'm doing? Something where you get paid per trip. Yeah, you probably got it. And it has not gone. I mean, I'll tell you more about it in the next video. Thank you for watching. May God bless each and every one of you all. I will see you all next time.